Did you know the Arabic alphabet starts with just one tall, simple letter, Alif? What makes this letter so special? And when you meet someone for the first time, what do you say in Arabic? Let's find out together. Hello, welcome to Dr. Ulhaj channel, where learning Arabic is simple, fun, and family friendly. Every story has a beginning, and in Arabic, it all begins with Alif. Just like the number one starts all numbers, Alif is the first letter that begins the Arabic alphabet. It stands tall, straight, and simple. Today, we meet the letter that opens the door to the whole Arabic language, Alif. And by the end of this video, you will also learn how to greet someone in Arabic. Alif's main sound is the long vowel a, just like the long a in the English word father. Take a moment and listen carefully. A, a, a. Now let's see how the letter Alif appears in words. Alif is special because it really has only two shapes: a standing, tall, isolated Alif and a stretching out Alif when it follows another letter. At the initial position, Alif always looks like this. Alif never connects to the letter that comes after it. Remember, we are only focusing on Alif right now. Don't worry about the other letters. The other letters will come later. Step by step, we'll learn them all soon. In the medial position, Alif can appear in two ways, connected to the letter before, as in the following words. Or standing on its own when it follows a non-connecting letter, as in the following words. At the final position, the same is true, connected to the letter before, as in the following words. Or isolated if the letter before does not connect, as in the following words. So remember, Alif never connects forward, but depending on its place in the word, it may look like this or this. Now it's time to practice writing the letter Alif. Print out the handout I shared with you in the first comment. Grab your pen and get ready to follow along. This is how we write the isolated shape of Alif. Now try writing it yourself. This is how we write the connected shape of Alif. Now try writing it yourself. Now let's also learn some greetings in Arabic. When you meet someone, you can say Marhaba. Another way is Ahlan. Let's try it together.
مرحبا. أهلا.
And the most common greeting is Assalamu alaikum, which means peace be upon you. The reply is Wa alaikum assalam, and upon you be peace. Let's try it together.
السلام عليكم. وعليكم السلام.
Today we learned the letter Alif. You know its sound and its shape in different positions. You also learn to greet someone using the expressions marhaba, ahlan, assalamu alaikum, and wa alaikum assalam. If you enjoyed this lesson, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with friends who want to learn Arabic too. And stay tuned. In our next episode, we will discover the letter Ba. See you next time.